So I just went to the Dollar Tree and I got a bunch of these adorable Animal Crossing backpack buddies that are essentially these little clips. They come in all these different animals. You know, we've got Isabelle, Tom Nook, we have KK Slider, we've got Porter, Timmy and Tommy, which I'm sad. I hope there's two, but it looks like just one. Lathers, we've got Pelly and Sable. So there are 8 characters to collect. And now most people probably aren't able to get this cute box, but I actually went and bought out all of the ones that they had, so I ended up just taking the boxes. We actually hunted through aisles to make sure we could get all of them. So I got 14 of the character boxes, and there's 8 animals, so I hope that I can get at least one of each. So let's start opening. Okay, so we have Tom Nook, which is good. I don't know if there's more common and less common ones, but I just really want Isabelle. Okay, let's see. Oh. See, and here is... Oh, okay, I was worried because I saw the green handle. It's Porter! Look at the cute little monkey. It's so cute. Okay, so far, that's a good sign. I didn't get like 2 of the same in a row and get a feel. Okay. Let's see. Number 3. We got KK Slider. So far, 3 boxes and 3 different critters. So I'm pretty stoked already. It's a pretty good thing. Okay, number 4. Let's see. Okay, so we've got our first duplicate. We got Porter. But that's okay. That is a 75% success rate, which I think is plenty for getting 8 out of 14. Okay, KK Slider. I hope I get Isabelle. Okay. Thank you. Let's see. Yes! Now, honestly, no matter what, I'm gonna be satisfied. It would have been much more climactic for this to have been the last one, but regardless, I could do it double. So that's the last one in this box. Let's see. There's still 4 more critters to get. So, okay, a 3rd KK Slider. Okay, so we can get up to 6 doubles. That's what we'll get. 6 doubles if we did this right. We've already fulfilled half that quota. Okay. Let's see. A new one! Okay, so we've got Pelly. She's the male carrier, the nice one. So I'm excited. 5. We've got 3 more new ones. Come on, come on. I mean, 50% of these bags have to be new characters. Tom Nook. Come on. We need to get 3 new characters, and we only have 5 boxes left. Okay, okay. Another duplicate. I can only get 1 more duplicate, so getting nervous. But at least I got Isabelle. This one must be the popular one. Okay, all of these have to be new characters, otherwise. No. So, I did not manage to collect all of the new characters. Oh, wait, I have 2 boxes. Maybe I need 3. Yeah. Yeah, I did not manage to collect all of the new characters. Let's see if I got any more. Another Porter. And this is the last box. Let's see. Well, I'm happy about this. That's actually pretty cool. Another Isabelle. However, I still have to get 3 more characters to complete my set. I have to be able... And I just got pointed out that something I didn't notice. There might be another character for the rare chase character, so I really have to be on the lookout for that. So I'll definitely be updating when I go and buy out more Dollar Trees in my area. So, bye.